The VMware Cloud on AWS service is essentially VMware's full software-defined data center stack, but running within the Amazon environment. It's exciting for customers because it solves some very, very specific problems right out of the gate, but also gives them a foundation to develop a longer-term cloud strategy in partnership with both VMware and AWS.
The partnership between VMware and AWS is really important because by combining our efforts, we're going to bring a range of solutions to our customers that are very important to them, and will enable them to do things that were previously not possible.
Customers today are leveraging a set of VMware capabilities within their private data centers, and they're now going to be able to extend that directly into the Amazon environment.
Having VMware Cloud available on AWS in Canada is really important to customers that care about keeping their data and applications in Canada.
For certain customers in certain industries, it's a regulatory requirement that the information remain resident within our borders. For other industries, I just think it's a matter of preference.
Public sector customers are big users of VMware. They also want to innovate, but we know they need to keep their data and applications in Canada.
When I sit down with CIOs, they feel that governance, risk, and compliance is the #1 issue that they're grappling with these days. The fact that we have various regulatory bodies around the world all imposing a different regulatory framework is making it really frustrating for customers. And so the challenge for them is how do they solve for what is a very, very fluid environment these days, which is really what bridges us to the hybrid cloud conversation. That flexibility is going to allow them to solve for what they know today around privacy and other regulations, but also has a platform that can support change over time.
Well, we see the same challenges in Canada as we do in other countries, which is customers are looking to lower their cost of running infrastructure, they're looking to be more innovative, they're looking to be more agile, they're looking to get more value out of their existing assets. So by combining VMware Cloud on AWS, it enables customers to take on those challenges and ultimately to be able to service their customers better.
A strong digital foundation is based on not only technology components and kind of governance and security and those sorts of things, but one that really takes into account both the process side of things and the people element of it as well.
Whether you're B2B or B2C, the expectations of your customers are changing. And so you need to change and adapt in order to embrace those changes that the customers are expecting.
Canadian companies really do need to acknowledge that it is a global playing field. Their competition isn't their neighbor down the street or down the city or province next door. It really is everybody around the world, all competing for that mind share with customers, all trying to solve those big customer unmet, underserved needs. And so for us to be able to compete effectively in that kind of environment, we need access to the best talent, the best tools, and the best digital foundation. And the only way to get at that digital foundation is to have a truly robust hybrid cloud strategy.